Hi there, everyone. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 550 Brickell Street in Southeast Palm Bay, 32909. And before we jump into this amazing home, I want to give a big shout out to Tracy Cunningham with Waterman Real Estate. She's the listing agent on this home, and she was kind enough to allow us to do a tour of the home. So I wanted to make sure we sent out a big thanks because this one is gorgeous, folks. And get inside here. We're going to close this door because it's a little bit warm outside here today in Florida. So we're going to go back a little bit, let you get a good look of this front room as you walk in. Now this home, folks, is a 2008 home. It's got 2,080 square foot on 0.23 of an acre. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that is ready to move in right now. So this front room is huge. It could be a formal or family room. And then you can have a formal dining room on this side. And then as you get into the kitchen, folks, love these big islands with all of the cabinets and the dishwasher, nice deep sink. Look at all this counter space, folks. And it's got these cabinets down below here. Look at all these cabinets. Isn't this amazing? Absolutely love this kitchen. And wait till you see this pantry, folks. Look at this pantry. Isn't that wild? Look at all that room. You can put so much stuff in there. And we'll do a big tour here so you can see how big this room looks. Love that fan. We're going to go over on the guest side of the house first. So you've got a really nice vanity and toilet. And then we go down the hallway here. We got a little bit of space. Guess it wasn't really a hallway. But we have a nice shower tub combo. That door goes to the outside patio. So if some point you put a pool in the backyard here, you have a nice entrance right into the bathroom. So we do have a room here. Again, nice fan, matching fans at that. Plenty of natural light. Normal closets. Got the vinyl flooring, nice pantry. Or not a pantry, folks. My brain worked, we'd be in good shape. Nice laundry room, shelves on top. We've got a closet here on the end. There's another closet in the hallway there. So plenty of storage in this house, folks. And we are gonna go right on over to the primary bedroom. And look how huge this is, folks. You probably can't get a good look, but it is huge. And aside from the room being really, really big, check out this walk-in closet. I don't know whether my camera can give you the depth, but I'm gonna go. It's probably a good 12 or 14 feet long. That is a huge closet. Then we have another closet there. And check out that shower. We've got the double sink vanity. And really nice shower, folks. And then water room. Nothing exciting there except this closet. That is a really deep, nice closet to have in there. So I'm going to take my shoes off so I'm not clip-clopping all over your video. So, nice big view. It's got tons of space in here, folks. It feels very open, very modern, very cool looking. And then we're going to go out here to the patio. We've got a really nice screened-in patio area. We do have a fence on that side. It looks like there's a fence all the way across the back, but they've got all that pretty plants growing across there. So it looks to be a chain link fence, but you can't really tell. You've got tons of privacy. And then at this point, there is nobody next door. But at some point, there could be. Got our fan out here also. And there is another little closet here, but I did not open it, so I cannot show you inside of there. So folks, this amazing home. We're going to get back over here to the countertop. I'm going to let you kind of gander at the kitchen while I give a quick recap. And again, we are at 550 Brickell Street, Southeast Palm Bay, 32909. And this is a 2008 home with 2,080 square foot on 0.23 of an acre. This home is currently listed at $360,000, and that sounds like an amazing deal for all this space. I just keep on looking at all the cabinets because they're gorgeous. And folks, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. If you needed a 4th bedroom, that front room could be a bedroom, or it could be a library, it could be an office, could be a family room. Tons of things you could do with that room because it's absolutely huge. So before I sign off here in Palm Bay, I want to give one more shout out to Tracy Cunningham from Waterman Real Estate. She is the list agent on this property. And again, really want to thank her for allowing us to take a look at this gorgeous home. If you want to see this home in person, please feel free to give Tracy a call or give myself, Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, a call. My number is 321-480-7662, and I look forward to hearing from you real soon.